What's going on, everybody? Today putting on a hood scoop, center console panel, and a shifter panel cover. With all this coronavirus thing going on, nothing to do, so something to do for us. This came fresh from Evasive Motorsports, and let's see what's inside. So this is a dry carbon. It is very light, everyone. Holy moly. Yep. Dry carbon. Very light. It's a stick-on. It's not a, you don't have to replace the factory. This goes on top of it just to have that look. That carbon look. Oh, cutting their grass. Very annoying. Sorry about the background sound, guys. Hopefully, everyone stay safe. All this corona bullcrap going on. This thing comes with a, I don't know, advertisement and the instruction. They always have this bad instruction, like really cheaply made instruction. Printed on 8 by 11 and a half, just regular paper. That's that. So it's not even the instruction to the interior. It's like a different instruction. Anyway, this is the instruction on the inside. It's dry carbon as well. This brand is made by Revel or Revel. Revel, like rebel, but with a V for Victor. And JDM parts, baby. Dry carbon, very light again. It weighs like a paper. All right, next one. All right, so same usual advertisement. And then nicely packed, JDM stuff too. And this is for the center console with just the one kind of instruction that goes to everyone else. Pretty light, dry carbon as well. Quality is pretty amazing. They have their little logo embedded to it. Pretty good. Now we got everything unwrapped, unboxed. Now we gotta put it on. First, you gotta clean up this scoop, this piece right over here. All right, and then open up the cleaner 100. Use this one first, and then the other one, the cleaner 200. And use this cleaner right here. Just go around it. N200. This one's soaking wet. Anyway. And this is how it looks like. It'll have about maybe 10 horsepower. So anyway, we're gonna have to take out all these pieces over here, the tape. Fill it all out. Just like that. Pause. Alright, so hopefully we'll put everything right. Just align everything. You know what I mean? That's all there is to it anyway. Stuck it in, make sure everything is Basically, I didn't take out this tape. Just peel it out. Then pull this out. Alright, we're gonna put on the interior part because, you know, I love carbon look. Instead of dismantling all this, we're just gonna put something on top of it that makes it look like carbon, just to match the factory factory fake carbon. At least we're gonna have a real carbon. So let's put it on. So it's also a dry carbon. It's really light. All these materials are pretty light. They don't add any weight to the car. Maybe just this is the piece. It's so light. It's beautiful. So it'll go like this, just like that. It takes a few minutes of your time. Basically remove all the stick-ons from the back. So that. We need this one, but we'll try. Ooh, soaking wet. This is the adhesive on it. Okay. Press down. There you go. There you go. So we're gonna do this side too, because the other one is on this side. On it. Getting wet. The primer. I guess this is the adhesion tape. Dang, this thing smells so good. Probably get high from it. Revel. I guess this one goes right here. There it is. So on this one, you're just gonna have to remove the whole thing. It's all taped up anyway. Just align it. There's no spread it apart. There's no right way or wrong way to do this. Just gonna have to work your way down. There you go. I want to start from the back, or you can start in the middle and spread it apart. That way they can clamp, because this thing is not fitting perfectly. Just hold it. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Until next time, be safe out there regarding all this COVID-19 or coronavirus. In the meantime, please sub if you can. And as always, please be safe and God bless. Say thank you.
Say thank you. Okay,
Say
thank
please
you.
subscribe.
Please subscribe.
That's my little one as
And
always.
thank you and like.
Like if you can. Thank you everyone. Bye.